Hey everyone, this is Wicked Cushions and today I'm going to show you how to replace your V-MODA ear pads. As you can see, I have already replaced one of the pads. The process is simple and it is the same for both sides, so I'm just going to show you how to replace one of them. The first step is to remove the old ear pad. Grab the pad from the inside exactly like I show. Try grabbing the plastic base of the ear pad and pull it to the other side gently until it comes out. The way the ear pad stays in place is by placing its plastic base under 16 metal hooks on the headphone cup. When installing the new ear pad, you will need to push its plastic base under those 16 hooks. It's important to note that there is a bottom side to the ear pad and it has to be installed this way. To recognize the bottom, flip the ear pad and look for a flat line where the plastic meets. Make sure you install it according to the top and the bottom. Now simply align the ear pad and push it under the metal hooks. I suggest to start from the top and then work your way around the ear pad. Once a couple of hooks are in, the rest will follow quite easily. And that is it. Once the ear pad is securely in place, you can enjoy your upgraded V-MODA headset. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can always ask us in the comment section or contact us. Our contact information is in the description down below.